Hello, so I'm here with John Phillips, FAE for ON Semiconductor at the Future Electronics Sales and Marketing Conference 2019. John, would you like to explain what ON Semi are demonstrating today?
Yes, hello. I'm here today to talk to people about our image sensor range. In particular, today we're thinking about some of our newer products. We have, in this display case here, some of our new XGS image sensor range. The nice thing about these sensors is that one single design will allow you to integrate all the different types of sensor onto your printed circuit board. So, for example, if you look at the back of these, especially these two, you can see that the array of lands is the same as on this one. It's just the sensors are a different size.
Right, okay.
So you can get multiple resolutions, multiple color monochrome types of image sensor into one camera design with one design effort. So it proves very popular with a lot of customers.
Perfect.
Also, we have, I'm showing today one of our global shutter sensors, the AR0144, which is relatively new, and that's very important to have global shutters in imaging applications that require fast measurement, and it locks the geometry of the image, whereas with a rolling shutter you can get variations of the geometry which can cause problems with later analysis. And also we have the ARX3A0, which is a novel device. It's 560 pixels by 560 pixels, and it's what we call a virtual global shutter, in that it's a very fast rolling shutter, and the fact that you are running the rolling shutter at 360 frames per second means that the problems you get with normal rolling shutter sensors are diminished for a lot of applications. And it's also very low power, very small, so very cost and power effective.
Perfect.
Thank you very
John.
much.